Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
रिजर्व फॉर ऑर्डर म्हणटकच सगळ्यांक गृहीत आशिल्लें की इमिजिएटली स्पीकर ऑर्डर पास करतलो कित्याक स्पीकरान ऑलरेडी जे सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे जे आउटर लिमीट आसा 3 म्हयन्या भितर काबार करपाचें तें ऑलरेडी स्पीकरान काबार केल्लें आसा आनी त्या हेजेर म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर हो आपलो जो कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल पोजिशन जी आसा आनी कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल जो ताका मॅन्डेट आसा तो फुलफील करपाक फेल जाल्लो आसा कंप्लिटली आनी आमी कांयच स्पीकरा कडल्यान पॉझिटीव कांय एक्सपेक्ट करना. What we were expecting is only the order. The speaker has to dispose this petition in whichever way he wants, whether he reject our petition or he favors. But in whatever way, he has to dispose it of. He cannot keep it pending. So तो pending दवरता इतलेच खातीर की ते आमदार जे डिस्क्वॉलिफाय जाल्ले आसात, जे इल्लिगल मर्जर केल्ले आसा तांकां तो प्रोटेक्ट करता कंप्लिटली एंड दिस इज क्वायट एविडंट. आयज सुद्दां ताणें आपयलें आमकां इट इज जस्ट एन एक्सरसाइज फर्टायल एक्सरसाइज टायम कंज्यूम करपाक आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक दाखोवपाक की आपूण आपली हियरींग घेत आसा.
So today only the application in which we had filed to produce additional document, the Honorable Speaker has been pleased to dismiss it. We also requested the Speaker that, and which we only could request him, that since the matter has been heard and eventually reserved for judgment on 26th of February, we are requesting that please deliver the judgment as early as possible. That is the request we made to the Speaker, to which Speaker told us that he will convey us the date when the judgment will be pronounced.
Tentative केन्ना येवपाक शकता
अशें कांय सांगू ना तेणे. The Honorable Speaker has not said any specific date. We made a request which we had to make, saying that according to us all the members have incurred disqualification and they are enjoying the power. So therefore as early as possible kindly decide it.